All right, let's cut right to it. This isn't going to be another collection of, vague tips. This is an intervention. Because the way you're managing your time, it isn't just inefficient. It's literally destroying your future.
Sound familiar? I bet it does. You're behind on your assignments. Your hobbies, they're just collecting dust. And your friends, they're out there, living their lives, while you're just stuck. Stuck scrolling, feeling exhausted, guilty, just watching your own life slip right through your fingers. And look, this isn't just a bad day, is it? This has become your reality.
So what's the root of all this? Well, it all comes down to a simple, incredibly powerful, and destructive lie that you tell yourself every single day.
You know the one. We've all said it a million times. I just don't have time. It's our default excuse, right? It's the easy way out. And you know what? It feels true. But that feeling, that one little phrase, is the biggest obstacle standing between you and the life you actually want to live. So let's be crystal clear about this. That is a lie. Plain and simple. Believing you lack time is the problem, and we are going to dismantle that idea right here, right now. See, the problem isn't how much hours in your day. It never was. The problem is a total lack of structure in your life. You have the time. You absolutely have the time. You're just bleeding it away, letting it drip into total chaos.
We need to reframe how you think about distraction. That quick check on social media, that's not some harmless little break. It's theft. Every single scroll, every single notification, it's a thief, actively robbing you of your focus, your goals, and your entire future potential.
And this is the trap you're caught in, isn't it? It starts with feeling totally overwhelmed. So what do? You reach for an escape, a distraction. But that distraction leads to wasted hours, which creates this massive, crushing guilt. And what does that guilt do? It just feeds right back into feeling overwhelmed. And the whole vicious cycle just repeats, day after day after day.
And make no mistake about it, that cycle, it comes with a heavy price. Breaking it isn't optional anymore, because staying in it has severe, real-world consequences. Let's take a hard look at what's truly at stake here. Look, these are the two paths laid out right in front of you. On one side, you've got a future defined by chaos. We're talking slipping grades, opportunities just vanishing into thin air, and a life just full of stress and guilt. But on the other side, a future of control. Goals are actually achieved, new doors start opening up, and you get that feeling of freedom and pride that comes from owning your time. The choice? Well, it's all yours.
Think about it like this. Every single minute you have is a coin. You can either invest it in your future, or you can just throw it away on meaningless distractions. Wasting time isn't just procrastination. It is, quite literally, a form of personal bankruptcy.
Okay, enough talking about the problem. It is time for the solution. And I'm not talking about some vague, feel-good advice. This is a tactical blueprint, a step-by-step system for taking back control.
So here it is, the system. Step 1, the 3-priority rule. Listen, your brain can't handle a to-do list with 20 items on it, so stop trying. Every morning, you pick 3 and only 3 major tasks that will actually move your life forward. That's it. Finish that chapter, complete that one assignment, practice that skill. You dominate those 3 things, and you've won the day. Simple. Second, time blocking. Your calendar is now your weapon. A to-do list, that's just a wish. A schedule is a command. You are going to block out non-negotiable appointments for your priorities. So study for exam from 2 to 4 p.m. isn't a suggestion anymore. It's a meeting with yourself that you cannot miss. And you're going to schedule your hobbies and your social life the exact same way. Third, kill the dead time. You know those 15 minutes between classes or the 10 minutes you're waiting for a friend? That's not free time, that's stolen time. Instead of scrolling, you review your notes, you answer 2 emails, you read 10 pages of a book. Reclaim these little scraps of time because trust me, they add up to hours. And finally, engineer your fun. A social life is vital, I get it, but it has to be a reward, not a constant distraction. So you plan it, you look forward to it, you earn it. Fun feels 1,000 times better when it's a deliberate celebration of a productive day, not just a guilty escape from an unproductive one. Okay, but look, putting this system in place, it's not just about changing a few habits. This goes deeper. This is about changing your fundamental identity. Right now, you have a choice to make about who you are. On one hand, you can be the reactive person, the victim, the one who just waits for motivation that, let's be honest, never really comes, the one who's trapped in that cycle of stress and scrolling and regret. Or
you can be the architect, the one who creates structure, who controls their environment, who actively builds their future, and who gets to live in freedom. So I'm asking you, straight up, which one are you? Which one are you going to be? Because the choice you make right now, in this moment, it defines everything that comes next.
You have to stop waiting to feel like it. Motivation, it's a feeling. It's fleeting. It's unreliable. It comes and it goes. Structure, on the other hand. Structure is dependable. Structure is real power. And it works whether you feel motivated or not. And that's really the final, most crucial point of all this. The answer was never about finding more hours in the day. It has always been about seizing control of the hours you already have. Because until you take that control, your life, well, it isn't really yours, is it?